Hi guys, today we are going to use React Image Crop. So this is an image cropping tool for React application. It is a very lightweight library. So let us see what we are going to build today. So this will be we have a three button here. So I and okay, and when you crop any image here, so it will give us the it will show us the preview of that image. Okay, as you can like change here and location here there, so it will be work like that. Okay, we also have a one button to clear the canvas. So canvas has been cleared. Okay, so this is showing here, and now we can click on here and it will be downloaded. So see, this has been downloaded. Yeah, so today we are going to build this one application. Okay, so let's start. So I have created one React application, and I have added I am creating some different branches, and each branch will have some different kind of tool integration. So the master branch is a branch which has a React skeleton project, and it also bootstrap as a library. Okay, UI library, and bootstrap icon for icons. Okay, and there is no any other library used in this one. Okay, let's start. See, we have nothing here, we have only app.js. So we are going to use this same application for our next videos, which is coming related to React application and the library which we can use in React application. Okay, and I also have created one more branch. So let me check the branches of here. So we have one master branch which you have already seen. It is a branch with a React skeleton project with bootstrap and bootstrap icon. And without bootstrap branch is a branch which has a only React skeleton project, no any UI integrated in this one. Okay, and I have one image crop branch where we have created that application. Okay, so for right now I'm going to use master. We have to install a React image crop here. So I'm going to npm I React image crop. So I'm just going to create one layout. So I'm going to create fluid to disable. Okay, sorry, and let me also remove this one. And in row I'm going to margin 0. I don't want to keep any margin here. And I'm going to create column. One will be the size 4 and one will be the size 8. So this will be called md4 and lg4 call 4, and I'm going to just replicate this one and change this to 8. Okay, the 4 will be used to add our buttons and to show the preview of the image, and the rest the React image crop will be in the column 8. Okay, I'm going to get flex and justify content center margin bottom 2, sorry, margin bottom 2. Okay, and we have column 8 already. And here I'm going to create one input type field, input type file, and this file will accept only images. So it will accept all kind of image. See, we have one input field here, and now I'm going to add some button here. And this this will be since I already have installed Bootstrap icon, so I can give the icon name. File image, and I'm going to also make it larger size, and similarly I'm going to copy this one and add 3 times, and this will be a button primary danger, like to clear the screen, and this will be a X LG. Similarly this one will be a success, and I don't need MX2 here, and this will be download. Okay, so let us see how it's looking. But I don't want to see this input type field here, but I want to keep the functionality. So what happened, I will, when I click on this button, then this image select will be triggered. Okay, so for that we are going to use a React ref. So let me import from React, and this one will be a use ref. Okay, and I'm going to create one ref, const image ref, and this will be a use ref. Okay, and I'm going to assign this ref to on this one, on this image. See, okay, on click, what I want to do, I want to image ref dot current dot click. Just to hide a class, we need d none. So I have used Bootstrap 5. It's a very cool library, and it has a lot of classes as per our requirement. So now we can see we have hide that button. So I am seeing some let me okay, now it looking good. Okay, when we select the image, then we have to store that image somewhere. Okay, so for that I am going to write a function to handle image select. Okay, handle image change, and this will be an arrow function, and I'm just going to call this one on here change. So we are only triggering the select from this button. Okay, but the rest of the functionality will be the same. Whenever image has been selected, it will be stored in this image, this input type field. Okay, input type file. Okay, so now I'm going to implement this handle image change, and before that we have to create one state for image use state, and this will be a const, I'm just going to a snippet here, use state, and it will be a image initial value will be the null. Okay, and here I'm going to store that image inside this, and the same image will be used in our React image crop. Okay, so let's see the documentation what it required. React crop need crop on change, it need a source. Okay, and the source will be, I think this will be a file path. Okay, so now we have to yeah, this is a file path, part1 image. So now we have to convert this into our file path. Okay, so okay, so this handle image change will accept one event. Let us see what we are getting here, just to understand more clear. So in event, some property like name and value and file. So we are going to extract files here, and I'm going to use an index here. So before going to check the index, we have to check we have files, and files length, files dot length length is should greater than 0. It means we have files object from the event, and there is something has already has been selected. Okay, I'm really sorry, this files will be from the target. We have event dot target, and the target has a name and files. Okay, okay, it will be work now. Now I'm going to create const reader. A file reader will be created here. New file reader. It's a very simple line, some few line of code to convert the image byte into a actual file URL. Okay, so now render dot read as data URL. Here I have pass our files. We are going to pass 0 index of file, the first file. Okay, this should be a reader, not a render. Reader. And again I'm going to add one event listener in this one. That event listener will be the load. So like whenever we complete reading all our files, we are going to save this image into our state. Okay, it's very simple. Set image, and whatever we have used, that will be the reader dot result. Okay, so let me explain it once more. So first of all, we have expand our event dot target and extract files. Files means we have selected multiple files, but since we have selected a single files, so I am going to use the index 0. After that, I have created a file reader, and I pass the 0 index of files here, and it will read it as a data URL. And after, when the reading is complete, after the whole reading is complete on the load, we have set this into our state. Okay, so it's a very simple statement here. Okay, so now we have our image set, and let's see what else required in image crop. Okay, image crop required crop. So now I'm going to create one more state. Use state, and this will be called at crop. And the initial value for this, I'm going to keep an object with aspect. Aspect means what aspect ratio you want to keep. So I'm just going to keep here 19. Previously I have shown to use 16 by 9, but currently I'm going to use 9 as a width and 16 as a height aspect ratio. Okay, and we also need one more state. Use state, and that state will be a completed crop. And the initial value for this one will be a null. Okay, and since we have image selected, and the most important required thing for React crop is image, so let me first import this. Sorry, I don't need SAS here. Import React crop from React image crop, and call it. In call it, I'm going to add one more condition here. If we have image, then I'm going to call this React crop. Okay, and I'm going to pass source, and that source will be our image itself. And as I explained, we need crop. I'm going to pass from crop, and so on change set this as a image crop. Set crop C, and let me expand to new line. And I'm going to add one more uh, on complete, this will again will be a function, sorry, see, and here we are going to set completed crop. Okay, so we have set like this one. Yes, so let me see how it's going. What we have built now, so we had image selector here and I have selected the image. Okay, okay. I think I haven't added the CSS yet. Let me add this CSS. So I have created our main.css file. I forgot to explain it here. So let me add. React image crop and src and react crop .css. Now let's see. Yes, as expected. Okay, but we are not seeing any previews for our canvas. For our preview thing, we have to implement this one. Okay, so on image loaded we will have handle on load. Now I'm going to create this method. This method I'm going to use callback. And we have to store this in a let me create one more is ref actually. img, and there will be no any dependency for this. Okay, this one is extra. Yeah, so this is good. So let me check.